Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a debt with American Express, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover from a debt with American Express, start by gathering all your account information. Review your current balance and any outstanding payments that need to be made. Check your account for any interest rates or fees that may be affecting your total debt. Create a budget that outlines your monthly income and expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending to allocate more funds towards debt repayment. Consider setting up a repayment plan with American Express. Contact customer service to discuss flexible payment options. If you're unable to pay the full amount, inquire about a settlement offer. Explore balance transfer options if you have another credit card with a lower interest rate. Prioritize high-interest debts to minimize additional costs over time. Make consistent payments, even if they are smaller amounts, to show progress. Monitor your credit score to track improvements as you pay down your debt. Utilize any additional income or bonuses to make extra payments towards your debt. Stay disciplined and avoid accumulating new debt during your recovery process. Reassess your budget regularly to ensure you are on track. Consider seeking advice from a financial counselor if you need more guidance. Remember, recovery takes time and patience, so stay committed to your plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.